Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reduce memory usage in Microsoft Edge using sleeping tabs. So basically what sleeping tabs does, if you enable this feature, it will suspend them if they're inactive for a certain amount of time. So basically that'll just free up CPU and memory in the background so you won't have to work as hard to render these pages that you aren't currently actively using. So this feature was added, I believe, back in Microsoft Edge version 88. So a couple of years ago at this point, so some of you guys might not be familiar with it. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable it or disable it, as well as setting how long you want the period of inactivity to pass before initiating this setting. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the menu icon at the top right corner of the browser screen. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and select the System button. And then you want to go ahead and select the Settings button. On the left side, you want to select where it says System and Performance. On the right side, underneath Optimize Performance, where it says Save Resources with Sleeping Tabs. When this is on, inactive tabs will go to sleep after a specified time to save system resources. Go ahead and just click on this selection here. And we just turned it off by just clicking on it. We just toggle to the on position, turns it on. And you can also put inactive tabs to sleep after the specified amount of time by clicking the drop down here, and then you can select anything between 30 seconds and 12 hours. And you can also add websites to the exclusion list and to never put those sites into sleep mode. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And then once you're done, I don't think you have to click on save or anything. I think it just saves automatically. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.